Good morning, nursery class children. So, children, today we are going to practice again between numbers. Between numbers. Children, do you know before numbers and after numbers? Yes, very good. Before means pehle and after means baad mein. So now, can you tell me, children, what comes before number 4? What number comes before number 4? 4 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट नंबर कम्स बिफोर नंबर 4? यस, 4 से पहले 3 आता है. यस, वेरी गुड. बिफोर नंबर 4 कम्स नंबर 3. Okay, now what comes after number 4? What number comes after number 4? 4 के बाद में कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? कैन यू टेल मी? Yes, very good. It's number 5. It's number 5. Very good. Now, what comes between 3 and 5? What number comes between 3 and 5? बच्चों 3 और 5 के बिटवीन में, बीच में, मिडल में कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? कैन यू टेल मी? व्हाट नंबर कम्स बिटवीन 3 and 5? Yes, very good. It's number 4. It's number 4. Now, what number comes before number 3? What number comes before number 3? 3 से पहले कौन सा नंबर दिख रहा है बच्चों? कैन यू टेल मी? Yes, very good. It's number 2. Before 3 comes number 2. 3 से पहले 2 आता है. Now, what comes after number 3? What number comes after number 3? 3 के बाद में कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? कैन यू टेल मी? Yes, very good. It's number 4. It's number 4. Before 3 comes number 2 and after 3 comes number 4. Do you understand, children? Okay. Now, can you tell me, children, what comes between 2 and 4? What number comes between 2 and 4? 2 और 4 के बिटवीन में, बीच में, मिडल में कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? Yes, very good. It's number 3. 3 is between 2 and 4. Okay, children. So now, children, can you tell me what number comes before number 7? What number comes before number 7? 7 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट नंबर कम्स बिफोर नंबर 7? Yes, very good. It's number 6. 6 is before number. Now, what number comes after number 7? What number comes after number 7? 7 के बाद में कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट नंबर कम्स आफ्टर नंबर 7? 7 के बाद 8 आता है बच्चों. ओके, सो बिफोर 7 कम्स नंबर 6 एंड आफ्टर 7 कम्स नंबर 8. 7 से पहले 6 आता है और 7 के बाद में 8 आता है बच्चों. नाउ what number comes between 6 and 8? What number comes between 6 and 8? 6 और 8 के बीच में, मिडल में कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? Yes, very good. It's number 7. 7 is between number. Between 6 and 8. 6 और 8 के बीच में नंबर 7 आता है. So 7 is between number. Now I will ask you another question. Now what number comes before number 9? What number comes before number 9? 9 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? Can you tell me? What number comes before number 9? 9 से पहले. 8. Yes, very good. It's 8. 8 is before number. Okay, children. Before 9 comes number 8. Now, what number comes after number 9? What number comes after number 9? 9 के बाद में कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? Can you tell me? Yes, it's number 10. Number 10. Okay, children. Before 9 comes number 8 and after 9 comes number 10. Okay, children. 9 से पहले 8 आता है और 9 के बाद में 10 आता है. Now what number comes between 8 and 10? What number comes between 8 and 10? 8 और 10 के बीच में, मिडल में कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. It's number 9. 9 is between number. Between 8 and 10. 8 और 10 के मिडल में, बीच में नंबर 9 आता है. Okay, children? So now, children, take out your math square notebook and open the page. So children, you have, in this page, you have to write down between numbers. Okay, children? Now, what number comes between 2 and 4? What number comes between 2 and 4? 2 और 4 के मिडल में, बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? Can you tell me? Now look at these flashcards. Look at here, children. What number comes between 2 and 4? Can you tell me what number comes? Yes, very good. It's number 3. 3 is between number. So here you have to write down number 3. Between 2 and 4 comes number 3. Now what number comes between 6 and 8? What number comes between 6 and 8? 6 और 8 के बीच में, मिडल में कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? Can you tell me? Now look at here. Look at these flashcards. What number comes between 6 and 8? 6 और 8 के बीच में, मिडल में कौन सा नंबर दिख रहा है बच्चों? Yes, very good. It's number 7. So you have to write down number 7. 7 is between number. Now what number comes between 5 and 7? What number comes between 5 and 7? 5 और 7 के बीच में, मिडल में कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? Can you tell me? Now look at here. What number comes between 5 and 7? 5 और 7 के बीच में, मिडल में कौन सा नंबर दिख रहा है बच्चों आपको? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. It's number 6. Between 5 and 7 comes number 6. Now, what number comes between 1 and 3? What number comes between 1 and 3? 1 और 3 के बीच में, मिडल में कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? कैन यू टेल मी what number comes between 1 and 3? Now look at here. What number comes between 1 and 3? Yes, very good. It's number 2. So here you have to write down number 2. Okay, children? So I hope, children, you have understood all this work. So thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.